All right, go on carefully now.
Are you sure you're not pinching the baby to make it cry so you can ignore the other children?
I wouldn't do that, Miss Ethel.
I need a very, very fat girl. Fat girl tonight. I'm in the mood.
Oh, you did fine, child. You did good.
See, never have it over here. Gloria says so. I will damn well peep on you when you're giving my hard-earned money to another woman.
I call the shots round here. Milton run things. You don't take it back.
No.
Well, take this, this.
Where these kids come from?
They're all my children. That's why they're in here. Good. You don't see Milton print on all of them for it.
Milton, tell me this is a joke.
Joke? What? Me look like me laugh?
This village is not very large, and people have started to talk.
Talk about what? Eh?
The flat chest girl that make your skin catch a fire these last few days. I think I'm pregnant.
Give it to me.
Is that what it looks like?
Explain you and the maid having sex in the shower in the sun, huh? Mas Jim, you never finished. You're not coming back.
I want to sell you this business and the baby.
I will sell you this place for $500,000.
Oh,
Oi.
Papa?
You will be queen of all that you survey.
I want to build a hotel.
Is Licky Licky?
I can get him admitted to Conner Regional Hospital.
Not before I take him to Mother Jonah so she can look on him.
Tonight we are here to celebrate the achievement of a very special lady.
I'm Gloria's best friend from childhood.
Who you calling Gloria?
Tonight we are here at the opening of a new hotel in Montego Bay. Hotel Gloriana.